This is an indoor 2-rings round digital water curtain located in Russia. This video is a test video done in the factory. The water curtain is debugged every time we complete production to ensure there are no issues. This water curtain is 10 meters high, with an inner circle of 1.46 meters and an outer circle of 2.48 meters. After communicating with us, the customer trusted our company very much. From contact to placing an order, it took less than a month. And because the customer urgently needed to complete the project, after communicating with us, the customer trusted our company very much. We also worked overtime and completed the production of the water curtain within 15 days. According to the plan, the water curtain will be shipped to Russia by next week. We will also take the time to prepare installation instructions to ensure that the customer can install and use it smoothly.